Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a canvas after you paint it, because I use spray varnish, well any type of varnish really, but any varnish you put on under silicone will make it bubble and it just won't look good. So you need to clean the canvas. It's very hard to see it on camera, but kind of around here and stuff there's kind of oily substance, that's silicone. You do not want that on your canvas, and the way to clean it is with baby powder. And I have this stuff which is basically for babies, for like nappy rash and stuff, like talcum powder, but this works perfectly. And use an old toothbrush to kind of brush it round, and then a damp cloth to take it off, which I have over there. But yeah, let's get to cleaning it. Really want to get that into every spot on it. Really puts a big cloudy kind of glaze over the whole painting, which looks worrying because in your head you're going, oh my god, can I get all this stuff off? Especially when it's a really good painting that you like. I really like this one. I done the same thing to the big obsidian one I done before. On the YouTube channel is called Cells Galore. I'll put a little card up to that. But yeah, I think we're pretty much done really. Yeah. Pretty much done with that, so now for the damp cloth. I don't know if you can see. Literally just wiped the whole surface with the baby powder. It's really dusty right now, so now to clean it. Alright, now we basically just have a damp cloth, and I have a little bowl of water right there if I need more water, but we just literally, you can wipe. I don't really trust myself at wiping because I'm afraid of paint coming off, but you can dab kind of wipe. That's coming out perfect. Pretty much comes out perfect every time. It's just, like I said, it's scary putting powder all over one of your values, treasures. I'm a bit of a perfectionist. But yeah, that pretty much looks done. And now basically, depending on where you live, I live in Ireland, so it's winter right now and it's horrible outside. So I'm going to put this on the radiator or in front of any type of heater you have really, and then it's pretty much ready to be varnished, which I'm going to do that later. The rest of this video. Alright, so we're back. Time to varnish them. And what I'm using is this stuff. I know it looks different in America. It's called Rust-Oleum Crystal Clear. It's clear gloss varnish, or finish it says on it. But I like to give it like 2 to like 3 coats on it. See, I have a lot more to do than just that main one. That's the one. Them 2 right there are from my mother's, well, my 500 sub special on YouTube. Yeah, they came out pretty good, so I'm going to gloss them for her. So yeah, I'm going to do a time lapse now of me spraying these. Takes about 10 minutes for them to dry in between, so let's get to it. Coat number 2. Alright, it's time for the last coat. Seems to be pretty much done. That's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. 3 coats every 10 minutes. Perfect. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.